The thing I would like to clarify is the statement which was taken out of the context about the proceeds of the oil. What I meant was not reported as I said it. We said the oil advances or commitment were spread up to 2027. But it doesn't mean that the oil of South Sudan was sold out all.
South Sudan does not belong to individuals. They said that is owned by all, and everybody should benefit from the resources that are available.
Thank you.
The resources that are available.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So we cannot support for a few people to benefit from the resources that are available.
Yes, sir.
For a few people to benefit from the resources that are available.
Nice one. Nice one. This is facts.